Right, good morning everyone, welcome back. So I am at Liverpool waterfront. As you can see, there is a big cruise ship in today, which is just on its way down to Mersey now. So let me zoom into it. There it is there. So this is called the Majestic Princess. This is a big one. It's carrying 4,000 people. I'm not going to give you its weight and length and tonnage and all that. But what I do find interesting about these is that they have godparents. And the godparents of this one is Yao Ming and Yi Li. So yeah, I had to Google who they are. And they are husband and wife, professional basketball players. So let's just follow along. Yi Li. So there's a photo on the screen now. Before I say how tall she is, just have a guess. Okay. I'll tell you in a minute how tall she is. Gotta watch the seagulls with the drone. They're not happy with it. And you can hear them. Oh, let me just get out the way. Let me fly it out over the water a bit more. Right, so there it is. So Yi Li is taller than me. I'm 6'2.5". Yi Li is 6'3". So you can imagine how tall her husband is. He's 7'6". He's an ex-professional NBA player. Oh. I just seem to be away from the drone now, the seagulls. Right, let's just have a really tight zoom in on this now. So there's the name there, Majestic Princess. At the bridge, you can't quite see into the windows on the bridge. And I remember when I got my big camera out and was filming ships coming in with the big zoom, and like people were in the dressing gowns and everything. I thought, you know what, I don't want to zoom in that tight on them. But yeah. So it's just passing Bramley-Moore, which is there. But what else we do have on the water at the moment is the Stenner over here. I don't know if that's loading vehicles on at the moment, or is that loaded up, or yeah, it looks though it's loaded up, doesn't it? It's amazing. You know, they don't look that big, but when you look at the wagon, and you know how big them wagons are, the own bargains ones, they're massive. So yeah. Is there anything waiting to get on? You know, what's this doing? So I've never actually seen them load up. I don't think that's going on, is it? Is it? Oh, there's no up and lower, isn't there? So yeah, that's going down the lower, is it? They can carry some weight, them, can't they? Look at that. Straight on. Anything else down there? Tanker going on. So yeah, more, yeah, they're all loading up there. Right, let's get concentrating on the seagulls are bothering the drone again. Don't know why. It's doing them no harm. It's a little fly along. Towards it. So I do follow a few of these ships. Oh yeah, look at this, here's the Mersey Ferry coming next to it. Well, not next to it, but you know. Yeah, here's the Mersey Ferry. Get some idea of size compared, eh? That's the commuter. I think he's got a local nickname of Dazzle. They must be freezing at the front. It's not warm today. So these are coming close together now. Well, they're not coming close together, but from my point of view, it's passing in front of it. Yeah, so people are locally are nicknaming this Dazzle. Its name is Snowdrop. I think this is still the commuter ferry on. It's like the people at the front haven't even noticed that there's a big massive cruise ship there. See if they're even looking that way, are they? I don't think they are. Well, that fella there, just under the flag, might be. Okay. Sorry for the jerkiness, but yeah, just the way it is sometimes when you're trying to talk and fly. Keep an eye on the drone at all times. Can we get a look inside the bridge? That's a better view, isn't it? Yeah, so I've got an idea of doing these regular, getting the drone up, just having a view over the city. You know, I'll come at different points along. There's Goodison in the background there. Yeah, I'll come at different points along the waterfront. Over in Liverpool, it's not a great view for cruise ships because you've got fencing in the way quite a lot of the way. Especially when you get to the cruise terminal, the view's quite restricted. So coming over this side is a lot better for me. It's got a British flag, and what's that other flag? Is that the cruise line flag or something? And I think that the other flag, so the black and white one I'm thinking is cruise line flag. I think the one right at the back is where the ship is registered to. But there's Goodison. With the ship going past there. What a shot. Yeah, I'll see if we can quickly look to see where the ship is registered to, what country. Built in 2017, it just says flag state UK. They're normally... No, looks like the UK. Yeah, I don't know if I finished what I was saying before because I'm keeping an eye out. Yeah, there's Anfield now as well. Get proper distracted, don't I, when I'm doing these. That's great, isn't it? Look at that. Can we get Goodson in as well? It's a cracking shot, isn't it? So yeah, this is part of the Princess lines, and the one of my favourite lines because one of the ships is called the Regal Princess, which is... It's got the horn is the tune to the Love Boat. Now, so I'm going to get the drone closer to me now, so I don't like flying zoomed in because it's a nightmare. I might even cut this out. So if there's been a big jump in the footage, I've had to avoid the seagulls. I've had to take the drone really high to get it away from the seagulls. So here's the zoomed out shot. I don't think that the seagulls want to go that high, so I'll stay here. I can still do me zoom ins. Let's see, it's all people. No, there's some people. A person, maybe. Right, there's the commuter ferry coming back. Oh, that should come into shot any minute. Oh, there it is there. I wonder if that's the same people that were on it before. You're getting a good shot of the, well, a good view of the ship anyway. So I think the cruise liner will have had to have slowed down. Slowed down. Yeah, the seagulls are not bothering and throwing at that height. How can I bring it lower, I wonder? And just bring it closer to me, as you'll be able to hear it now, the zone. I would have liked to have got a shot lower with the ferry going past, but these seagulls aren't going to let it happen. They're all coming back over now. Can you see them in shot? There they all are. See them? Take it back up again. Okay, I'm at 18 metres, 19 metres am I. They don't seem to be bothering me at that height. So the cruise liner slowed right down so the ferry can get past. They're not worried at that height, so I might have to find me my ideal height to avoid the seagulls. Right, this is moving but really slow. See? My building's just over there, the rest of the city in shot as well. See, the lava birds aren't bothered by the drone, so why the seagulls? They just stay there and watch. Seagulls are daft, that's what it is. What's that big chimney thing in the back? I can't see it from ground level. What is that and where is that? Okay, I can't picture it. Someone will know. Right, I'm going to leave this here. It's good watching it come in, and also getting the footage of at least one vehicle going on the Stenner. They're impressive things. Them, as I say, they look tiny when they're on the water, but they're obviously not. There's the ferry nearly at its destination as well. Right, I'm going to switch to my other camera and finish off. I'll see you in a minute. So I'll finish off. Ship in the background's all docked. Seagulls have been dickheads. Just leave the drone alone, it'll leave you alone. Simple as that. But yeah, nice view of coming in. The Isle of Man, loading up still. Got a couple of vehicles going on there. You know what, I thought that sounded torn, it hasn't. Unless it's too early in the morning to do it, I don't know. But yeah. Right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. See you later.